When a person falls in love, it's always confusing. We are quickly turned to fools, 'cause no one knows the rules. Yes, we all say things that aren't quite true. Fellas do it, gals do too. That's just love. Love keeps you guessing until you find a heart that's true. And though you can't be sure what actually will happen, keep reaching for the sky, you never know. I say, live this life with all you've got. No matter what your luck or lot, set your sights and take your shot. Why not? 'Cause
I could be the kind of girl who shops at Saks Fifth Avenue, then has cocktails on a rooftop, drinking in the view. I'd get to do the many things I've yet to do. That's how I would live.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street.
This is not... Good luck to you.
Oh, you too, and enjoy the show.
Kitty, would you like to come to the show with me tonight? It seems I have an extra ticket.
I'd love to.